integration, that is integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c for n not equal to minus 1. Since here derivative of x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c is equal to x to the power n, so integration of x to the power n dx saman x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c for n not equal to minus 1. Also, since derivative of log x with respect to x, that is derivative of log x plus c with respect to x is 1 by x, so integration of 1 by x dx, that is integration of dx by x is equal to log x plus c. And now the integration of tan x dx, that is equal to log of sec x plus c. Now left hand side, integration of tan x dx, that is equal to integration of multiplying sec x into tan x and also by dividing sec x, that is sec x into tan x by sec x dx. Now for sec x is equal to z, then sec x into tan x into dx saman dz. So this is equal to, that is sec x into tan x dx saman dz and sec x saman z. So that is dz by z. So that is equal to log z plus c, that is integration of dx by x saman log x plus c. So that is equal to log of sec x plus c. That means integration of tan x dx is equal to log of sec x plus c. Also integration of tan x dx is equal to minus log cos x plus c. Now left hand side, that is integration of tan x dx, that is equal to sin x by cos x dx. Now let here cos x is equal to z, that is cos x is equal to z. So derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, so minus sin x dx is equal to dz, that is sin x dx one minus dz, that is integration of sin x dx, that is equal to minus dz and cos x one z. So that is equal to minus dz by z, that is minus ln z plus c, and that is equal to minus ln, that is z is equal to cos x plus c, and integration of cot x dx saman, that is log of sin x plus c, and that is also minus log of cosec x plus c. Now taking left hand side, that is left hand side, integration of cot x dx, that is equal to integration of cos x by sin x dx. Now taking, we have sin x is equal to z, the derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, so cos x dx is equal to dz. So that is equal to, that is cos x dx is equal to dz and sin x is equal to z, that is dz by z, that is equal to ln z plus c, that is equal to ln sin x plus c. Again integration of cot x dx, that is equal to cosec x into cot x by cosec x. Taking cosec x is equal to z, then derivative of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x dx, that is equal to dz. So cosec x into cot x dx समान minus dz. Here cosec x into cot x by cos x, here that is dx. Cosec x into cot x dx समान minus dz and cosec x समान z. So that is minus dz by z, that is equal to minus of dz by z. So that is equal to minus log z plus c, that is equal to minus log of cosec x plus c. So we have integration of cot x dx समान minus log of cosec x plus c